Yo, we're back. I'm gonna break into Smash or Pass, but face-to-face Goated Edition. Watermelon and Smiley. What's spelled to cooling on?
Hey, ungafici inhlamba.
Bayafuna. Sekayafuna baba sendlini. Wayigcela i-crop top phansi.
What?
Awuyini ujwayele ukhipha isisu vele. Ngiyabuza ujwayele ukhipha isisu yesona. Shoot.
Yo,
Umsindo, hey.
Awudlule tshani.
Uzethi no.
Mfana unegolet.
Uzethi no.
Are you surprised?
You're about to live a very long life.
Ushayene crop top ujwayele ukhipha isisu. Shoot lona njengoba ngimbambekayo. Ngathi uTeddy Bear walahlwa yeza goal.
What?
Wena ubuso bakho ubusiyeki njengenhlama amagwinya. Kunini ukhuluma sengisengaqeda ukukhuluma safuna. Ngikutshelile ukuthi bheka. Azayo umzimba ngesinyathi. Ngoba wena uyike wanabi.
Ouch. Why is he cutting him off? Hey man, I'd punch him.
If you're home.
If I was the
Come.
alleged gay.
Oh,
Azingithandani ngawo. Uyakwazi ukuzibamba.
You can't be getting
Who's
on top
Bamba?
by a straight guy. That's an insult.
Hayi manje. Bheka manje. Wena uyawuthiyana. Yeah? Ululu ne? Ima ngicela ukubuya kuwe. Ace. Ace.
senzani amasendeka ace.
Ngale futhi mani la. Ngikuvuthele no.
What?
What?
Sanibonani. Hello. Right. Ubani igama lakho? Guys, celani ngimameleni. Yabona lo as long as asenobuso bamadoda angeke sikusathe njengentombazana. Yabona kuze.
Izophuma ividiyo. Yeah, izophuma.
That's not nice. I told you, you can eat small wine with pap, mix them together.
Smiley, what is your job?
Origin pap, more wine, something.
Sibuyelani.
Ushayela i-36. Don't
Uzenzani
That shit
izinto?
is gas fuck.
Yes, and it should be.
Okay.
Bonini.
This be like
Sisenyweni esikathi.
every time I say something, just be clean, please. Just clean it up for me. What about the blood behind him? What's going on with him?
Sewe utala ziphi? Utala ziphi?
Lingane encane kanje ifuna.
Bheka lo icathilo zakhe. Ngathi map ye geography. Ungahambi sondela. Shithi icathilo zakhe. Ngathi sinethiwe and equanity. Bheka wayigobile. Ungahambi wani igama lakho? Angel. Hayi mathemeni. Uthi uAngel lo. Emafethu. Lona
Fuck.
usiza ngequeen kodwa akekho clean.
Shit did not call us up a queen.
Wani one diamond test angikholwa la.
I wanna test that gold.
Diamond test angikholwa la.
Lethi nje ngebrass. Ubona ukuthi
Ithenge
kuzoyenza
kuphi? Bakuthengele. Askisi.
Whether you're buying or selling,
Hayi bo.
do it big with
Are these ad
Auto
agents is running out of ideas?
Like I'm no longer selling cars for car adverts.
Wayula. Intanga zakho
Kumele le
ziqinile
advert
wena la.
invested le adilizip.
Wayula.
No.
Awazi. Shuthi. Ngicela ukhiphi. Ivale ehappen.
Kanti lo mfana yini ngaye?
Na ifeda dust ezokuphina ukumbasha.
Whoa.
Na ifeda dust.
Uzophuka ikhanda manje futhi lale ngane ayisali kunini?
Kumele uhambe nami. Ngicela ukukushangela iwani wena. Bheka. Bekuse hoyi. Nangu January. Shuthi lo amabele wakhe mancane ngathi amadice makageza ushaya upop.
How does that make sense? Smiley, stop hugging him from behind.
Smiley's
It's
gonna
weird.
fuck this nigga.
Itanga zakhe zinengisikhiyaze emotini ulongisa ichufu.
Didn't they?
Uziyathi no. Asi sonke lesikhathi ngilongilayela yini ngibheke ngifuna ukuthola ibunza zakhe ngiziboni ziva. Shuthi uzeyini nonsense ukokotela common sense endlini. Ungazikwatisi. Bheka. Ungazikwatisi angeke awuqualify ukuba yinja yase K1 noma ungazikwatisi angeke sikufake endlini sikubone.
I don't have got all his flex.
Hayibo umuntu wenza kanje.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's not nice, Papa. I told you can eat more white with pap, mix them together and make something like pop. Or
If
you
you niggas
pop
are
more
too much
white.
dick right now.
and no, we have
Bakshani. Bathi bakwephi park? I want to clip this for the parents.
We have Kosluma Park.
Suluma Park sesprayed.
It was good. It was good. You should be so good.
Bazali basesprayed.
Smell on Jelly, Nicola.
Jesus Christ.
Ungana lo muntu.
Why is he so old?
Kwenzakalani la?
Oh my God, he's that small.
Yes. And I don't think he's with dwarfism. So what the fuck happened?
Yeah, but at least if you're a dwarf, you get to claim for some sort of, I don't know, disability.
Is it, yay, whatever that shit is.
Yeah, but at least yeah, you can get some benefits.
What I'm saying is like, Yenangati kuna drop top somewhere. Because the rest of him looks
It's a pygmy.
bigger. What's the one that is coming out?
Okay, pendula ukuthi ichamele yipi. Niphanga, hlala estradeni.
This guy.
Beauty and the Beast. Abobani? Yini le? Uwe. Maba iblessa wena ubhekile. Angeke ne? Ngiyakhuluma ngento ongekuzona.
Jesus.
Thula sizwe. Thula baba kabheka izizwe.
Ufuna ubaba umntwana.
Thula baba kabheka izizwe. Wow.
Hey man, you might have to punch one person.
Mlinde gate.
Mlinde gate.
Kumnyama futhi uzothi usho ngoba.
Drop kick emqolo. Run away. Have lo mfana ufaka uporridge ekhaya uma ufaka esandini elilodwa noma
Yazi. Uzothi uyikhubula.
unindi isigqoko ngale.
Uzothi uyikhubula.
Hello. Yaphila. It's a clean purse.
Umfana nogqoka isikipha esimhlophe uzoninda uporridge.
Lona ngiyamthatha ngimisa ekhaya. Nebona simashilo shama
What?
later.
Ngini ufaka abafana?
Nothing wrong with that. Some are feminist.
It's a clean purse.
Qhubekani nogogo benu.
Clean purse.
Clean pass.
Sawan. Ungahle. Ngiyaphila. Ngiyakuzwa uthi ngimubi mara nawe awukho muhle nawe uyafana nje umubi and awuchazi intengentenge njengesobhola amanqina. Awukuthola right? Yeah. La uwonde ngathi uphethe isikhathi esi1. Mfana omhlophe esadaye i10 off. Hey. Ubi. Hello. Njani? Ngiyaphila. Respectfully pass like respectfully pass. Thank you.
Wait, there's way too many women. What's going on?
Kwenzakalani?
Yeah, guys. Oh, the chop.
Show me.
Hey, let's go to the fucking point.
Alright. Hello. Hello. Man Kamala. Pass. Batali intro. Batali intro. Hello. Mina it's a person.
Why do you feel the need to tell me?
Why are you okay?
Want to make it clear. Fuck you.
We're not gonna hold it against you.
Hello. Man Kamala. Man. Nature. Yo, yalenga. Walenga.
What?
Oh, okay. Why would you yell?
Yalenga. Wasibona ngathi uyiskipha sinekile.
Umuntu olengayilenga kanjani?
Begin. Ulenga, begin. Walk out there.
Yalenga. Ngathi uyiskipha ngathi bakunekile.
Begin. Number. Begin the first yak. Yeah.
Yeah, buy my clothes with Josie.
Smash. Lana. Smash.
Ivan is a fucking go-to. What the hell is going
Kanti
on?
wazi basafama kulite namanje.
That's what I'm confused
I thought
about.
kills are smarter these days.
Yeah? Smash. Smash. Pass. What? Clean pass.
How is that better? That should be a slap. Okay, maybe not a slap. Punch.
Smash. Smash. Pass.
Fusek. Khathele ngokukhuluma. Smile yini manje?
Fun. Ali, she fled.
Wait, is this a guy?
Hey man, it's a human being. Let's go.
Now oh, done. Ngibona ushaya ipinki ngithi maybe represent ama-chance.
What?
You do not want to lose this monetization, don't you?
Fuck no. This is blood, sweat, tears, and frustration.
Asiqale kanje. Ane wena ngigaya u-P, wena ngigaya u-A, wena ngigaya u-S.
Oh my God.
It's the whole crew.
Mawuzoyihlanganisa kahle, yayisona. Alright.
Right.
Ubani igama?
Lukhona.
Eh?
Lukhona.
Umfowethu noma ufuna ukunginyobisa?
I mean, you asked, so fuck it. Take it to the top. Yeah, this one very good. Like, doesn't it take a lot of energy to suppress like the
Unalo
octave?
nepondo kule mihlolo yenzayo. Athi kubone kahle. Aish, ngiyabuya kuwe. Exe?
They sound the same.
Amana, uxoliselana. Ushap. Nami ngishap. Elabantu bayarasa man. Ubani igama? Ntokozo. Nizalwa umuntu oyi-1. Bayarasa. Nizalwa umuntu oyi-1.
Sokhulile ke soyekile lamakhasi wakho ngathi kubonda la secrash. Yeah, ngithi sokhulile soyekile. Guys, ake khona 16 rand amakhona isivaleni le gap cafe Zelda.
Dani?
Cafe Zen.
Angeke ungamsupport because into zenu vele ezi-useless njengani. Yangizona.
But how do you know that?
Oh, now uyangifuna.
Wena ube kububi lapha sisekliniki la. Ngathi mama sesibhedlela.
Uzodlala i-basketball la or uzoya ku-special pass. Yini ufuna sikudonethele impahla wagqoka kaso? Ngikunike.
Unkotoli nezis.
Futhi
Why le ngane ingakhahlelwa le? He should be getting a kick to the face.
Raise his hand.
mina ngithi uzoklina na. Right wena njama, take 5. Ngiyakunika. Ubona mina?
This kid is
Okay,
a delinquent.
Ubani
Fane
umubi
nje
kimi nawe?
ukumsheka.
Kanjani?
Ambelele uhleza wena.
Yeah, yazilona. Awubhemi nathi.
Naweka ke home.
Yeah, inkinga laba.
Uvunani ebusuku la?
Into engibhorayo la bayarasa. Yangabana order. Kokuqala bangilathela amadoda ukuthi azongifacea, bayahluleka ukungifacea amantombazana. So ama-gents angeke ngikhulume nawo kabaya gents, khululekani ne. Nizoba right nani one day. Yeah, nizoba right nani one day. Right mama. Oh shit.
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ubani igama?
Kama.
Yeah.
HR is gonna have a field day with these clips.
Yo. Ubani igama?
Kamel.
Kamel. Shoferi ya. Kona umuhle kuba muhle angithola. But mawuhluleka ukugeza amashulezi angithembi ukuthi nawe uyayigeza.
I thought it's supposed to be a self-cleaning.
Uzeke
Thing which I just clean themselves.
Bona ngejacket lapho.
Hayi njengomshini waseVerimark nawe.
Uzodijea. Uzodijea lana. Manje wawuse nama earphone.
Oh my god, she's the same as my girl.
Volcano. Ngazi ninjalo.
Hey.
Ngazi ninjalo.
Uthima nokuthi aphume because
Oh
isiphongo
my
sigcwele.
God.
Ngazi ninjalo ivolcano.
I'll ask my girl to give you hers.
Oh, mara labantu abadlalisi kahle asikaqedi. Bayabaleka.
Why are you fucking kids not at home? Ebusuku.
Because my youth.
Akhuleka wena
Akushaya isibhakela ngigijima mina.
Zokunika nali lapho. Yebama. Mara abanye abasekho bafithu. Bayephi? Ubani igama?
Smile into yakhe ngawude.
Somile. Somile. Wena ngizozwana nawe injama.
What?
Wena ngulube ebheka ngapha.
Jesus.
Kanjani akusenabani? Mani sibiza la cula nisenzele ni favor ne. Nikeleni ukusibizela amajita into yokuqala leyo. Because manje thina sinovalo yabo asisandi kwali nama chance. Into yobusuka fethu i-crowd yeni boy controller because yabona manje.
Look behind you, dude.
Usmile akana order, but no one is saying anything.
Onka imali ya. Eza sethi bafethu siphuma kabili sibule kanjani? Ayisivale. Ah, okay. Nice. Suka. Awivale lapho kawo.
This is Smiley's worst video. I have nothing to say. I'm quite happy how it's
I
Smiley.
don't think it is. Everything that he does in Katlehong is just mad. I
Yeah,
think it's
angasaphinda kuye.
it's not like last time when he was scared. I could have had the video.
Yeah.
Where he was super scared. Katlehong ebusuku.
Yeah.
Yes. Those ones are the worst. And I don't know why bafika lapha ebusuku.
Exactly. Ngoba dlala nengane encane fika ngo11.
Yep.
But yeah, in any case, bafethu, like, subscribe, is good TikTok. Suggest below.